Data shows that 2.4% of all fatal car accidents involve drowsy drivers. Elizabeth Ravelli, Drowsy Driving Statistics and Facts 2022. Hi, my name is Carly Wall. I myself have been forgetful on how important sleep can be. It's an easy thing to brush off while in your teen years, but after my thorough research these past couple months and countless lectures from my nurse of a mother, I truly understand how important a good amount of sleep is and now follow a routine sleep schedule. Many studies have been conducted on sleep and why it is important, since John Davy conducted an experiment between body temperatures and sleep patterns in 1845, according to the Rosenberg, a look back on history of sleep research. There are many words that can come up quite a bit in this speech, so I will be explaining some of these words to you, so now you have a better understanding. Sleep deprivation is the biggest word. This is the lack of sleep to such an extreme that it starts to affect your mental and physical health. Coronary heart disease is another hard to understand phrase. This is when your arteries struggle to deliver enough blood, nutrients, and oxygen to the heart. I believe that sleep is a key factor in keeping our mind and bodies healthy, along with keeping us safe in every possible way. Today, I'll be explaining to you why sleep can keep us safe, our bodies healthy, our mood high, and possibilities of why people may not want the right amount of sleep. Sleep is a key factor in keeping us safe. With more sleep comes a better reaction time. According to eocincinnati.org, research has shown that properly rested people getting an average of 7.5 hours of sleep a day have a reaction time 2 to 3 times faster than sleep-deprived people. Reaction times are very important when in public places and when driving, like I referred to in the beginning of my speech. Sleep helps our minds process decision making, especially in a social setting. According to Lalia Tagave, the results showed a positive relationship between sleep deprivation and a regular sleep schedule with sensation seeking and risk behaviors. Along with keeping us safe in social settings, sleep is also mandatory for keeping our health safe. Sleep is crucial to keep our bodies and minds healthy. Getting the proper amount of sleep can keep you from developing possibly life-threatening diseases. According to the American Brain Foundation, sleep disturbances are linked to an increased risk for disease, including neurodivergent disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. In order to avoid these diseases to the best of our ability, we must allow ourselves proper time for rest. Along with keeping our bodies healthy, good sleep is also required to keep our mood in a good place. I'm sure we've all had those days where nothing has gone wrong, but we've just been grumpy for no reason. If I've had one of those days, I ask myself if it could have all been avoided if I would have just gotten a proper amount of sleep the night before. The answer is probably yes. According to trystressmanagement.com, lack of sleep can result in feeling irritable, tired, and anxious. To keep relationships that we have in the best possible condition, being in a good mood is highly recommended. If people got the right amount of sleep, their relationships with the people that matter most to them could be greatly improved. Now that we've covered many of the good things about sleep, let's cover what happens if you get too much sleep. Some people may argue against getting the proper amount of sleep recommended by health professionals. Their reasonings may be fear of feeling lazy, fear of not getting enough done, or just a busy schedule. As Primary Health states, too much sleep as well as not enough sleep raises the risk of chronic diseases such as coronary heart disease, diabetes, anxiety, and obesity in adults for the age 45 and over. This may be why people fear sleeping too much, but it's always important to listen to your health provider on how much sleep is right for you and the best way to avoid all of these possibilities. Proper sleep is crucial, and if everyone got the sleep they needed, the fatalities from drowsy driving would greatly decrease. Sleep is great for keeping us safe, our minds and bodies healthy, and our mood up, but too much of it could possibly have bad results. With the conclusion of my speech, I ask you all to please do your own research and discover what sleep schedule is best for you. Test it out and just see how much it has improved your quality of life. Sleep is the best medicine. Dalai Lama. Thank you all for taking the time to hear why proper sleep is crucial for keeping our minds and bodies safe. Thank you.